Okay, go. Okay, one more time, louder. Little Natalie. Okay, now we gotta sing it real loud so the rain can hear you. 1, 2, 3. Rain,
Rain,
rain.
rain, rain, go away. Come again all day.
Little.
Now we want to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Go away, rain. We want to watch the fireworks. And go swimming.
Yeah, we can't go away because we can't see the fireworks on there.
Say, go away, rain.
We can't go away.
Go away, rain.
The rain's not going away.
Will that rain go away?
No, it's not going away.
Okay, let's sing it one more time. Rain,
No,
rain.
Mommy. Look, rain's getting the flowers dry.
Oh.
Getting the flowers all dry.
We're getting the flowers wet?
Harry's dry.
Oh.
Getting Harry's flowers dry.
Oh.
The flowers going dry.
Okay.
We'll see rain going. Then going. Come on.
Let's sing it real loud. Ready?
No.
Are you all done singing it?
Oh. Yes. Well,
You want to sing it again?
no.
No?
No, I did.
Okay, say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye.